In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automation in ActiveCampaign. Let's delve right in and explore how you can streamline your email marketing by setting up effective automations. First, let's navigate to the Automation section. On the left-hand menu, you'll see an icon resembling a gear or cycle. This is the gateway to automations. Click on that and you'll be presented with all your existing automations. Now, our goal is to create a new one. So go ahead and click the Create an Automation button. Next, it's time to choose how you want your automation to get started. You'll have a few options here. You can select from a variety of pre-built templates, which can be a great time saver if they fit your needs. However, if you're looking for total customization, click Start from Scratch and continue from there. Once you've decided, it's crucial to select a trigger, the event that kickstarts the automation process. This could be something like a contact subscribing to a list, a tag being added, the submission of a form, an email being opened or clicked on, or even changes in date-based or custom fields. There are many triggers to choose from, so think about what aligns best with your strategy. Once you've made your choice and set any conditions, click on Add Start. Now, let's build the heart of your automation, adding actions to the workflow. Click the plus icon to introduce a new action. What's really powerful about ActiveCampaign is the range of actions you can add. You could send an email, add a delay with the wait action, manage tags, use branching logic with if-else conditions, or even jump forward to another step using the go-to action. You can also set goals, send notifications, or update deals and contacts among a host of other actions. Here's a quick tip. Incorporating if-else actions can help you branch your automation based on specific conditions, like tags, email opens, or custom field information, adding layers of personalization. Once you've begun adding actions to your automation, it's important to build and connect the structure smoothly. Keep layering with more actions by using the plus icons after each step, and personalize the journey with branches. The go-to action can be particularly handy if you need to loop back or jump forward within your workflow for more complex automations. Finally, it's time to review and activate your new automation. Before you activate it, double-check your logic and the emails you've set up to ensure everything functions as intended. When you're confident your setup is ready to go, look for the Active toggle at the top right of the automation builder. Clicking this will bring your workflow to life. And there you have it, a fully functioning automation within ActiveCampaign, ready to enhance your marketing efforts. Thank you for joining in today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.